Hello traders, this is Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, April 23rd, 2013. You guys watch the markets today at around 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time? We had a little flash crash. Looked like that the Associated Press, the AP, got hacked, and there was a report that the White House got bombed and there was injuries to President Obama. However, because it was fake and it was a hacking job that took place, markets immediately rebounded, but made for a very scary part of the day. And taking a look here at the markets as a whole, market's up nicely. Dow up 152 points. The S&P up more than 1%, same for the Dow, and the Nasdaq up 1.11%, with the Russells up 1.6%. So what's interesting here, small caps doing exceptionally well in today's bullish move. We did have confirmation here in the financials, up 1.34%, with the fear indicator, the volatility index, down 6.3%. And we have the gold off 0.74%, silver off by almost 2%. Crude oil up a fraction, with US dollar up 0.36%. Normally when the dollar is up like this, the markets would be under pressure, but we did not see that today. Taking a look at the S&P, now we talked about when the market rallied up to this area, look for a bearish movement. And I said that my weekend edition, and we did drop here, and I said in this week's weekend edition, look for a bullish week, that we would probably start heading higher here with some areas of resistance and before we got a correction. So can I tell the future? Absolutely not. I do not know the future. However, I have been correct on my analysis as of late, and you notice I put myself out there on a daily basis for the most part. And it just shows you the power of tactical analysis. Now, it is an art. You'll never learn what it is that we do via these free videos that we do on a day-to-day basis. It's far more detailed and complex in how we make it sound here. But what we did is we had a bounce off the rising 50-day moving average. We come higher, and you'll see yesterday's Monday candlestick. We closed here. We closed there with this trend line coming higher. This is called a minor trend line. There's certain rules for this. And you'll see that it acted as support here, found support here, bounced higher, came down, broke that support. Now it acted as resistance. Well, Tuesday, today, we opened, we rallied higher, came back down on the flash crash, bounced back again, closing at another trend line. So I said in my weekend edition video, once we got down here and did this bounce, to look for a bullish week. It's only Tuesday. I didn't think that we would get to the resistance area so soon. Now, here are my thoughts. This is a perfect place for a reversal to take place. When we hit our head, we doji, we get a hanging man, and then we start heading down. If that happens, this would be shoulder, head, and shoulder trend reversal pattern. That would be bearish for the markets. Now, something I was looking at, and I'm going to bring the small caps back in, because the small caps were leading so nicely with the banks showing some nice movement to the upside. Because of that, I think that we actually have a decent chance of blasting through here, having yet another bullish day. We stopped at that trend line, but technically, if you really look closely, we closed just a smidgen above it, and that does say something. So that's something that we are watching, and we think we have a decent chance of actually blowing through this major resistance area. However, I think that chances are, statistically speaking, far as technical analysis is concerned, that we have a better chance of stalling out going into Wednesday. Take a look at gold here. Gold had this nice little run on dissipating volume with a little pullback here, but we bounced off of the session's low. Silver, gap down, we stayed down there. Very precarious area, but this is a support level. We may start to get a rally after this. Let's take a look here at Google. Google, as expected, we talked about this the weekend edition, I believe, or Friday's video. We came up, boom, and we're still moving higher. Not too bad, and it's very expected to see. Now, what's interesting here with Apple had a bullish day, but earnings came out post-market, and it looks like they beat on a number of areas. Going to a 1 minute chart, we closed here, and there's the beat. So we went from 406 close, went higher, and now it's trading at 425. And so, good news. I'll spare you all the details on that, but they did surprise a lot of people. On an hourly chart, you can see we hung up at another trend line. There is an art to the trend lines. You need to know how to draw those, and we do teach that in the mentorship. I know you probably haven't thought about doing it yet, but I'd certainly recommend that you get formally educated and learn how to make money in the market so your life can be changed for the better. Anyway, hope all is well with you. Share this with a friend. I imagine there's many out there that could benefit from such technical analysis.